Hello, everyone. My name is Zach Dilly, and the resource that I'm presenting to you today is called ClaroPDF Pro. Actually, it's both the basic version and the Pro version. Pretty much what this app does is it's an accessible app, um, and it's for those students who are ELL, um, and it helps them translate uh, not only online resources, but also hard copy papers and tests, worksheets, anything like that that they need help translating. Um, so what you're able to do is take a picture, it turns it into a PDF, and the app will allow you to choose a voice. There's four different dictations you could choose, and you can use each dictation in the language of your choosing, and it will read the entire worksheet to you to translate that worksheet. And you're also able to annotate the entire thing as you see here. Okay, you can circle anything, you can highlight things, you can edit anything you need to do to take notes to help out a student. And to give a quick example of what it is, I'm going to rush down here to a video. Just play a little bit of this video so you can get an idea of what it can do.
PDF speaks back accessible text PDF files and documents with high quality speech and highlighting, so you can follow the words as they are spoken. To open a PDF, tap the Open File button, and choose PDF Documents. Select the file required and then press the Open button. Tap the screen to select where to start, then tap the play icon to start speaking.
It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good.
Okay, so you can see there was two different dictations there that it will help you translate in. Of course, they're both English, but you can choose any language that a student needs to access the content. So that's my resource I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day. Thank you.